Hello and welcome to Jazz Piano Course. I am your instructor, Darius Wilrich. Just a little bit about myself. I've been playing since I was 15. I graduated with a degree in jazz piano from Cornish College of the Arts in Seattle, Washington. I played keyboards for a group called Diggable Planets that had a hit in the 90s called Cool Like That.
Focus your attention to the center of the stage and bear witness to my brother, Mr. Darius Wilrich, on keys.
A very fun group full of a bunch of my friends, so I feel very fortunate to have that be one of my current jobs. I'm also a singer-songwriter, and I have 3 albums that have had me play as far away as Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and Australia.
Oh, what you gonna do with my love? I could not erase these feelings for you.
So, I definitely connected with what it takes to be expressive and find what I like on the piano. And I know what it's like to not have that. And that's what this guide is for. That's what this course is for, is to just show you where the stuff you want to hear, the stuff that makes things sound good, the stuff that you're hearing on records. I've been teaching for over 20 years, taking people from basically nothing to being able to read jazz charts or play chords, their own chords, looking at a jazz chart. This is just a compilation of what I think works. To be able to make sense of playing jazz, you definitely have to know the names of the notes. You have to know major scales and be able to see and manipulate 3-note chords and 4-note chords in major scales. And we'll have practice with all of that. Then there'll be some alterations of that, and then you'll be ready to tackle a song, because in a song, what will be there is a melody and chord progression.
And with that, I'll see you inside the course. Thank you. Learn to play jazz piano like a pro at jazzpianopro.com. Cool.